What's up guys, your boy Freddy back with another video. Guys, on this video you're gonna see how we install a whole QA1 system on the Mamalona C10. Also guys, this week is the last week for the giveaway. The back Silverado, you can either take the truck or 20,000 cash. Guys, go over there and click the link. It's on the first comment. It's essential for you guys to go shop right now. Like I said, it's the last weekend. After this week, that is it, no more. Somebody's taking home that truck. Today we just shipped out the past giveaway, so get entered guys for this coming up truck. I feel like we're gonna go drop it off to the guy's doorstep, so go shop. Guys, so here's all the QA1 stuff that they sent us. It is time to install it on the green machine. Will we finish today? Probably not, but we're definitely gonna get started guys. So let's see what all we got. We're gonna start unboxing all these boxes and see exactly what we got on these QA1 boxes and what we're gonna be installing on the green machine. Damn it, boy.
Ok, so ahorita lo que está haciendo es poniendo nomás el puro throttle body en el intake. No lo voy a apretar ni nada, nomás para que se mire ahí. Porque ahorita estamos haciendo algo chido.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start unboxing this thing. Big shout out to QA1. They deliver nothing but the best products for all your suspension needs, guys. So make sure if you guys need a kit for your C10 or even for the newer trucks, they also make them for the newer trucks. Hit up QA1. Now let's see what this is. Oh my, mira. Holy macaroni. What is this, the dip cover?
Yeah, and it ties up to the 3 liter.
Check it out guys, differential cover. Look at the quality on this. This is heavy duty. Holy macaroni.
Oye, viene tú.
Espérate, güey, no mames.
Por poquito le rozaba la frente a este, vale.
Oh, sí está pesado, güey. Está pesado. Está bien perrón, güey.
Dime, bud.
Este va a ser mío.
Cállate,
Ah. ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue?
Sí va a tener.
Está bien perro, güey.
Ahora, a la slap on. Slap it on, boy.
Damn it, boy. QA1. All right, let's open up another box. We're gonna start opening up boxes.
Yeah. ¡Paga su ruidera! ¿Lo abrimos todos o quieres abrirlos tú?
Bájale al volumen.
Luego le están chingando con el banco.
Check it out, check it out.
Llaves para los followers.
You know what these guys, these are the keys for the coilovers, guys. You got that. Oh, these are the coilovers. QA1, best of the best, best in the best. We did a full send on this truck, and now we're gonna do a full send on this build. Getting nothing but the best of the best for it. Check it out. Holy macaroni. The quality, guys, the powder coat. The quality, guys, the powder coat. Check it out. Se va a escuchar todo atrás, güey.
Mira, verga para adentro tú.
Mira, verguita, tú también. Acaba el puto video. Alright, guys. Damn it, boy. Of course, it's gonna be the same thing on this one, but I gotta open it for you guys so you guys can see. Oh, yeah. Holy macaroni. I cannot wait to have this suspension installed on the green machine. It's gonna be top of the line. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at the packaging. Oh! Holy macaroni. Of course, it comes with all types of instructions in case you guys order something you don't know how to install it. It comes with all the instructions, and they got YouTube videos and everything on how to install all this. We're gonna do our best to show you guys on the video how we're doing it, so you guys kind of have an idea of how to install this. So same thing on this one. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the whole thing and have everything here ready. Oh yeah.
He's stiff to shit. Really badass.
can see here, we got upper and lower control arms. We got coilovers for all 4 corners. We got the rear end cover and a bunch of other goodies here, guys. All this will be going on this 1984 Chevy C10. Of course, we got the frame powder coated. We went and put the stock suspension back on there so we can start moving it around and everything. But now that we got all the QA1 suspension here, it's time to get this installed. So we're gonna start right now.
Alright guys, so lo primerito que vamos a hacer, the first thing we want to do is the front part. So we're going to start with the front ones. De un lado primero, vamos a quitar todo lo viejo para empezar a poner todo lo nuevo. Eso es lo que vamos a hacer ahorita. So, let's get it. Acabamos de sacar el spring, so ahorita vamos a quitar el control arm de abajo para poder meter el new one, so we can put the new one on.
Estos los saqué con antorcha yo allá.
Pero esa la tiene que hacer un hoyo, ¿no?
Esta no creo. Oh, no, sí, güey.
Se tiene que hacer un hoyo para
Sí.
que se agarre el spring.
No, ya tiene el hoyo.
¿Ya lo tiene?
Ya lo tiene, nada más que se tiene que hacer un poquito más para acá. Pero todavía la tenemos que drillear estos para que salgan. No van a salir. Pero
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, and I
Buen chizo.
drillearle nada más en medio con el chiquito y ya después se va a debilitar el güey. No, con el más pequeño.
Con este como que lo está ancho ahí. We need to cut this thing.
Alligators look like echo. Everything I do, they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man. My drip too good.
Ya le quito poquito la orillita esa. Ahí voy.
Yo swap me like Q-tip.
¿Te fijas? ¿Ah? Queda más derecho que con la otra entonces.
Oh yeah, yeah, don't say 3 words. Quick to get that lit lit. Walk quick, if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that.
We
just
just
cut
cut
out
out the cutter. Now we clean it up. That way the coilover is gonna go straight through there. Once we finish cleaning it up, we're gonna start.
Ain't know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your plan. Red Rover, I
All right, guys. So Margaret just got done trimming the whole piece. We got it all cleaned up with the grinder, and now we can install our support right there. There it is. Now the coilover will go through here, and we'll just have to bolt it on right here, and we'll be good to go. Damn it, boy.
don't roll rage, I get. We'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he live.
All right, guys. So we started the assembly. We already got the upper control arm on. We are now installing the lower control arm. After that, we're gonna install those new spindles. Oh no, no viene con spindles.
No, I think
Sí, no viene con spindles, güey.
Big facts, my bank on big man. My drip too wet, that spit can. Yo, swap me like Q-tips. Hold that there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb. Hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick lick. Broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good.
So the good thing about this kit, it comes with upper lower control arms, of course the coilover and all the hardware. So even for the alignment, it comes with these little plates that you're gonna use to do the alignment on this thing. We're also gonna be installing the coilovers right now. We got them over there, we're putting them together, and it has the structural manual. So in case you don't know how to do this, it gives you step by step what bolt goes to what, and it's self-explanatory right here with this. We're gonna finish up the front, and then the other side too is almost done, and then we're gonna move on to the back. We are gonna have to cut a C-notch on it according to what the instructions say, so it's gonna be good. Let's get it.
I want to. Yeah, like, hey, every time I look out, I'm on tripping. No, I ain't hoping, no sense in.
Hey guys, so as you can see, these coilovers, they do adjustable. We got that one already on there. It's good to go. Now we're gonna move on to the back. Now this truck, we are using it for the burnouts, but also we're gonna be able to put it into like a road course and a little competition or whatever, like they do at LS Fest. So we might just even do that with this truck if it's done by that time. They do those road courses where you gotta put like a certain amount of time going through cones and stuff like that. So I think this truck could also do that. And yeah, so we got the coilovers in the front. Now we're gonna install the one on the other side, and then finally move on to the back where we are gonna have to cut the frame for like a C-notch or something like that. That's what the instructions say. We kind of assembled everything right here just so you guys get like a brief look of how it's gonna be assembled over there. So you got this that's gonna go on the rear end, and then we are gonna have to delete the leaf springs in the back, and it's gonna be just the coilovers. This is the frame bracket that's gonna go over the frame that we have right now, and this is the C-notch that I'm telling you guys that we're gonna have to cut. So let's see how it turns out. We got it going on. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the whole front suspension on the C10, the green machine. Now we're gonna move on to the back. This is exactly how it's gonna look whenever we install it on the truck. These are gonna go on the frame, on the sides. We are gonna have to do the C-notch like I had said previously on this video. And it does come with 2 coilovers, and it comes with the diff cover. So it's gonna be top of the line. They send us all the parts, all the bells and whistles that we need for this truck. And like I said, it's gonna perform really, really good. Now we just gotta get it all installed. As you can see, the parts are powder coated in black and they look really good. And of course, they got the QA1 logos all over the place. That way they know exactly what we're rocking with. So let's get all these parts installed, and yeah, let's get it.
Just cut the little piece for the C-notch with the plasma. So right now I'm cleaning it up a little bit so we can put first out the piece and see like if we need to cut it a little bit more or that's enough.
See here, that side we already got it cut, and this side we have to cut it. So what they do is they send this paper that has 4 holes at the bottom that you're gonna match up with the holes that are under the frame. Once you got those holes matched up, like here, let's see, match them up, then you go and trace around it, and that's where you're gonna be doing your cuts. In our case, we're gonna be using a plasma cutter to do the cuts, and just grind it and make it clean. And after that, we're just gonna, everything is bolt on. You don't have to weld anything. But if you don't have a plasma cutter, you can use a salsa or a grinder, whatever you have available, and just make a little cut, clean it up, and bolt the rear suspension on. Pretty quick.
Right now we're just mounting the what's called passenger side kit, because we already do the first one. On this side we already put all the bolts, todos los tornillos, passenger side right now.
Ay, ay. Look, I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too for the flex, baby, don't call for me. Drop 50 rate, 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. I'm making that cash day. Watch your old like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot when they really more like put on me like a referee? Playing with the like a letter D. Let her have it, then I let her be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really never know. When I'm hurting, never let it show. I'm a two-tone,
Right now I'm just taking the lead springs from the rear end so we can mount it on the new suspension. So that's what I'm doing right now.
What are you guys building right now?
¿La suspensión?
Ah, la suspensión.
Yeah.
Para aquí,
¿Es esa? 84, C10.
C10, un 1980 C10.
¿Es lo mismo que esta?
Ajá. Nada más la tiene parqueada ahí.
Ya que le meta ahí.
Dile, le digo.
Ahí está, este es
you were broke, low class, no cash, certified lame. I've been getting to it like I ought to. Couldn't pick, so I bought two. Understand why you chick came. Trying to figure out your bought you. Really repping in the flex up, and I ain't gotta tell my next up. They rest up, but I'm up and I'm getting my checks up. Me and the fellas be high as propellers, ain't could tell us we great. Looking at like, how do you figure unless you been talk about 8 figures? I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no.
Almost done. Almost done. Que la haga, déjala levante.
Sí, levántalo más al gato.
Alright, so at the time right now, we're about to get finished with the back end on the C10. We already put the coilovers in the back. We already put the cover for the differential, and we're just gonna put the last 2 bars in the back, and we should be done. So here we got the coilovers already mounted. It also comes with like the flip kit for it, and then the adjusting bars right here, and then the 2 last bars in the back. It's gonna go right here. This is the next part right here. Putting this on, and then after that, we should be done. There's nothing else to put on there.
Damn it, boy, guys. So the truck QA1 installation is finally done. Check it out. We got the front control arms and everything else. Then we got, come over here to the back. We got the 4-link and the everything, guys. Coilovers is finally completed, guys. Check it out. It rides really good. It's, look at that. This thing is ready for some road course, for racing, whatever you want to throw at it, this truck can do, guys. So big shout out QA1. If you guys need suspension like this for your personal build, guys, they have it. They have it for multiple years. They have it for Silverados, cars. They got it for all kinds of vehicles, guys. So if anybody needs them, go check out QA1. Check out their Instagram, QA1. Like I said, they did really nice setup for these C10s, and man, they're in my eyes, they're the best of the best. Check it out. It don't get no better than this. So the next steps, guys, put the cab back on there, start mounting everything. Now we were gonna put the fender liners back on there, but we can't do that with this control arm, man. We gotta make it to where these control arms and everything's seen. So we're gonna be able to pop the hood and you're gonna be able to see everything. We're not gonna put the tubs back on there. None of that. It's ready to go. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Subscribe and keep on looking so you guys can see what this truck is gonna be capable of after we complete it, put it all back together. We're gonna take it to a couple of shows. And like I said, big shout out to QA1. Estamos.